Potatoes, the king of versatility. The F and sharp Western chef's knife like this one, a Japanese santoku, or utility knife are great options when working with potatoes. Look for potatoes that are firm with smooth skin and no soft spots, and avoid potatoes that are cut, bruised, or discolored. To cut wedges, simply cut down the middle lengthwise, cut again in half, and then along the edge line where you had made a cut, you'll cut again lengthwise, and you can make these wedges as thin or as thick as you'd like. Never store potatoes in the fridge, and always give them a good rinse under the tap water before choosing to either peel the skin or keep it intact. For fresh cut fries, let's go down lengthwise on the side that it has the largest width. Then we'll make a small slice to make an edge where it can stand up without rolling on you. And then be careful to cut down as thick as you'd like. We're making slabs. We'll stack them together, and then we'll slice our actual French fries. Again, you can do these super thin, thicker like steak fries. It's up to you. For peeling skin, I just recommend whatever your favorite vegetable peeler is. For Hasselback potatoes, one easy trick is to use some chopsticks. Lay your potato in between the two chopsticks. You're going to take your knife and cut down just until the blade of the knife hits those chopsticks. This allows you to get an even cut from one end to the other without going completely through the potato. By using a Hasselback potato, you can season inside of those slices. You can add cheese, ham, all sorts of delicious things while you bake them. As you can see, this creates kind of like an accordion. You can see where the knife did not go all the way through. To make cubes out of a potato, we're going to do the same process like we did the fresh cut fries. We're just going to go ahead and slice from one end to the other lengthwise, making slabs. We'll take these slabs, we'll stack them on top of each other, just like the fries, and we'll cut down. Now, again, you can leave this as is, and this would be your fry. However, if you turn it to the side and cut against those first cuts, you're going to make nice cubes or a dice out of your potatoes, however big or small you'd like. Enjoy, and visit fnsharp.com.